welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Demiya if you're new here, and if you are new here, please subscribe before you leave. I would really appreciate it. Today's video is sponsored by CURLSQUEEN. So CURLSQUEEN is a brand that offers the best textured clip-ins for black hair, and they offer a range of textures from Yaki to coarse, from 3A to 4C. So yeah, they got you. So I'm just reading from the pamphlet that they sent me, and I'll go into more detail on the hair in the video. But they sent me over their premium Brazilian virgin hair in the texture light Yaki silk press, and this is 20 inches, and it comes in a bundle with 10 wefts. One bundle of hair is definitely enough. This matches my hair texture pretty well. I mean, I feel like it's spot on actually, but yeah, if you have 3C4A and on, I feel like this is perfect for you. If you got 3B hair, you're kind of on the fence, like I don't know, it might work for you, it might not, but yeah. I will have a coupon code on the screen so you can get some money off. As always, I never know my coupon codes. I just love how this look turned out, so if you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. I'm excited to be working with CURLSQUEEN again, but they sent me over this highlighted hair, and it's 20 inches, and I'm kind of nervous to see how I'm going to blend this because, as y'all know, when I worked with them before, I highlighted my own clip-in, and it was easier for me to blend because I didn't bleach it fully. Like, I still had some 1B in there, so yeah, it still was some parts that match my hair, but this is, as y'all can see, fully highlighted. But yeah, we're gonna see how this blends. And not to toot my own horn, but I think that they I think that they were inspired to make clip-ins. I mean, to make highlighted clip-ins after I made my highlighted clip-in video. So that's pretty cool. They reached back out to me to see if I wanted to you know, collaborate again and review these. So, and then it also came with 6 extra clip-ins and some hairpins, which I'm probably going to use because of the hairstyle that I'm doing, and some thread. This is the old press. I just like kind of refreshed it by straightening the ends. I didn't really focus on the roots because I wanted to have something to grip onto, so I didn't press my roots that much. So yeah, it's 10 wefts, and it's 2 10-inch, 2 9-inch, 2 7-inch, 2 4-inch, and 2 3-inch wefts. And I'm going to use most of the longer ones in the back and the smaller ones in the front. I'm just going to section off my hair for the style. Let me do this better because it's getting in the way of me seeing. You know, your mom used to tell you, or probably still do tell you, not to half-ass stuff. Yeah, don't do that because you always have to go back and fix it. Just do it right the first time. Anyway, I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't even tell how much that is, but I think that's enough to cover the clip that I'm gonna put right there. I'm gonna cut like right after the clip, making sure not to cut the thread so the clip doesn't come out. You just want to be careful when you're cutting these. I'm gonna take the other one and cut off this excess because I can't really use it. If I just clip this into my head, it's gonna be hanging. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it off. And you know, if you need to use it, you can always sew the clip on that they give you. And all you're gonna do when you're clipping in your hair is section off a piece. I'm gonna do more hair than this. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see better. Let's see, do a pretty good size. Don't bother with making sure your part is super straight. It really doesn't matter. It kind of helps to, if your part isn't, shit. It kind of helps if your part isn't that straight. So I just, and when I clip mine in, I like to stick it into the hair, into the section that's clipped up, and push down, just so I can have more grip, because if I just sit it onto my hair, it's gonna like hang like that. But when I clip it into the section above it and pull it down, it has better grip. Y'all see what I mean? So yeah. Part it off my finger. I'm not moving up too much because I want to excuse me, I want to make sure I pack as much clip-ins as I can in the back. And I'm gonna show y'all again. And after this, I'm not turning around. I'm not gonna turn around because I just need to go by fast. I'm gonna pull this one over so it's tighter. And always make sure your clip-ins feel nice and tight. Not too tight to where it's like, to where it feels like it's pulling, because you don't want to, you know, cause a bald spot or anything. But yeah, just make sure it's nice and secure, because it's pretty embarrassing for a clip-in to be hanging out, you know. I'm gonna cut another one. To avoid too much shedding where you're cutting, only cut the weft part. Like, once you get past the weft, stop cutting, because a lot of times I be cutting the weft and end up cutting into the hair. Yeah, moving on to the 3-clip weft. So place the middle one down first. Side clip. Side clip. Now that I've gotten to the top, I'm taking the tiniest sections. I'm gonna take the other half that I had cut and put it right there. I'm gonna cut another one of these, the 4-clip wefts. Now I'm gonna let down this part and see how it's blending. I don't know, maybe I should add some more to the back. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. I'm bring this down a little bit so y'all can see better. But you know I'm gonna work it out, because I'm not going out looking crazy. Trying to find space. I swear putting in clip-ins be like playing Tetris. You really just gotta get in where you fit in. And I'm gonna take this last 4-clip weft and cut it. I'm a little scared, but you know, let me get through the process and then figure out what I'm gonna do. I'll clip this out of the way because child's getting a little hot. I'm really surprised that my hair is covering up the color like this. Like, I thought it was gonna be way more color. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna cut these small ones in half. And the clip is a little too long, a little too wide. So I guess I just gotta bring out more hair. We getting somewhere, y'all. y'all. So as y'all can see, I did my makeup, and I like kind of repositioned the clips on the top because they were like showing right here. Yeah, I wasn't feeling this hairstyle until I did my makeup and put on these earrings. Yeah, I have to go in and recurl like the sides, and I gotta do my edges. Yeah, I was kind of nervous as to how this was gonna turn out, but now I'm in love. And I'm kind of mad that I'm not going nowhere because I have to post pictures. I have to post pictures in this hair, and I kind of wanted to wear this outfit to brunch, so I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna wear this outfit for the video and change and take pictures in something else, but I just think it fits this so nicely. So when I actually do wear this out to brunch, I'll redo my hair like this. Don't y'all love it? I've never done my hair like this before, so it's pretty new for me, and I like it. Really glad I tried something new because the amount of hair videos y'all about to get, I have to the amount of hair videos y'all about to get, I have to come up with new stuff. Well, it's not new, but I have to try new things. Tell me, will you keep me safe when I'm in your arms? I'm in your arms. Control me, 'cause it feels so good. Don't y'all love when stuff comes out how it's supposed to? Love that for me. If y'all are wondering where I got this top from, it's from Pretty Little Thing. I'm really happy with how this turned out. But yeah, don't forget to check out CURLSQUEEN. I really enjoy working with them, not only because they have good products, but because if y'all saw my last vlog, which I posted on March 31st, the brand rep who I've been corresponding with, she or he, I'm not sure because the name is unisex, but yeah, she or he emailed me and was like, I just watched your video, you know, keep your head up, you got this. They just sent me like a bunch of words of encouragement, and I really appreciated that. And it's very rare that brands reach out to you and, you know, check on you, make sure you're okay, you know, send well wishes. So I really appreciated that from them. Yeah, they were like, don't worry about the video, you know, do it on your own time, you know, just really being supportive. So yeah, I really appreciate them, and I don't think that y'all would regret purchasing from them or, you know, supporting their business. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. Just join the family. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on my next one. Bye y'all.